Hey there. So, today we're going to discuss a topic which is really common between consultants and slide makers overall, and it's reusing slides. I've heard it from a lot of people that you should never start a slide from scratch. You should always go through slides that you've already done and then pick and choose certain things and elements that might really help your case. So one thing that auxi helps us with in terms of that is the ability to have full-on selections, such as the one that I have here. So this is just a grouping of elements. It's a nice TQM chart, we call it. You can call it whatever you want, of course. Now, let's suppose that I really like this chart. I want to reuse it in maybe another slide, another deck. What we do using auxi is simply, we go to the auxi bar, it's control space as a reminder, and then go to save selection as snippet. Now, what this does is that it enables us to save the selection that we have right now and then name it whatever we want. So right now, let's name this as TQM model 1. And if we wanted to, for example, to reuse it, let's say we'll start a new slide and then we'll reuse it here. Then all we have to do is go to insert saved snippet, and this would enable us to insert any saved snippet that we might have. Now this is the one that we have right here, so what I'm going to do is simply just insert it in. It takes on the colors, so as you'll see, this green right here is turned into black. And then not only does this work on selections or specific shapes or flows or sizings, but this can also work on entire slides. So if, let's say, for example, we really like the slide that we're currently on, then all we have to do is just go to save slide, and this will save the slide that we're on, and we can name it whatever we want. So let's say, for example, we have a, let's say we want a 16-person team slide. Now I have that slide saved up. So what I'm going to do is go to insert saved slides, and there it is right in front of me. So what I'm going to type into the search is 16, and then there we are. We can import the master layout or not. Now I'm not going to do that, just to show you. And then boom, we have a fully customizable slide that enables us to change whatever we want in it. And suppose that we really like this slide and we want to take someone's opinion, not on the whole presentation, but on this specific slide. Then auxi enables us to simply go to email slides and then select if we want the selected slides or the entire presentation. Now, if you're using Outlook, then this will open up the Outlook app and then send the email right to your receiver. Or if you're using Gmail, then I would do export instead of email. And then as soon as we export slides, we have the same type of options. So right here, we'll choose if we want to export the slides, and then we will export it either as a PowerPoint file or as a PDF. And then you can send it through the Gmail app to whoever you want. Now on Mac, this function also works with the Mail app, so that if you have your Gmail connected on your mail, then you'll be able to send it very easily. These are just a bit of the options that you have for reusing slides with auxi. Stay tuned and we will show you more.